Every great dream begins with a single thought, and what you say to yourself can shape your reality. If you're looking to manifest your dreams, try repeating this simple affirmation daily for 3 days. I am open to receiving abundance, love, and success in all forms. These powerful words align your energy with your desires, setting the stage for transformation. Words hold immense power. When you affirm something, you're not just speaking it, you're planting seeds in your subconscious. Positive affirmations are like keys that unlock the mental blocks holding you back. They help redirect negative patterns, replacing them with empowering beliefs. By saying an affirmation daily, you consistently remind your mind of the reality you wish to create. This repetitive focus on positive outcomes trains your subconscious to accept them as truth, eventually turning them into your reality. Affirmations shift your energy. When you speak words like I am worthy of success or I attract love effortlessly, your vibration aligns with abundance. This alignment opens the doors for opportunities, relationships, and growth that resonate with your desires. Affirmations are a reminder of your power. They bring your attention to the present moment, empowering you to take action while trusting the universe to do its part. You might wonder why this practice works so quickly. The answer lies in focused intention. A 3-day cycle is short enough to maintain your motivation and long enough to make a meaningful impact. In 3 days, your mind begins to absorb the repeated affirmation, slowly replacing lingering doubts with confidence. This focused time frame eliminates procrastination. Knowing you only have 3 days compels you to give it your all. The process also heightens awareness. Over these 3 days, you start noticing subtle changes. Maybe an idea strikes, or a long-awaited opportunity appears. These shifts are often the universe responding to your clarity and focus. Belief amplifies the effect. When you say your affirmations with genuine faith, you magnify their impact. This belief sets the foundation for incredible changes in your life. The affirmation provided, I am open to receiving abundance, love, and success in all forms, is a great starting point. But it's also essential to personalize it. The more specific your affirmation, the stronger the connection to your subconscious. To craft your affirmation, start with words that affirm positivity, like I am or I welcome. Next, include what you want to manifest, whether it's wealth, love, peace, or health. End with a statement of confidence, such as with ease and gratitude. For example, if you're focusing on career growth, try, I am capable of achieving my professional dreams with confidence and creativity. If your goal is self-love, say, I am worthy of love, joy, and kindness every day. Finally, say it like you mean it. Speak your affirmation aloud or in your mind with conviction. The stronger your emotional connection, the quicker you'll see results. Pairing affirmations with visualization turbocharges their effect. When you say your affirmation, close your eyes and picture the outcome vividly. See yourself living the reality you desire, feeling the emotions of success, love, or abundance. For instance, if your affirmation is about financial prosperity, imagine receiving a big paycheck, seeing your bank account grow, and feeling the relief and joy it brings. Engage all your senses in the visualization to make it as real as possible. Visualization helps bridge the gap between where you are and where you want to be. It conditions your mind to act as though your goals are already within reach, guiding your actions toward opportunities that align with your dreams. This practice also builds confidence. When you repeatedly picture your success, it feels less like a distant fantasy and more like an inevitable reality. To maximize the effectiveness of this practice, create a supportive environment. Choose a quiet space where you won't be disturbed and make this time sacred. Start by grounding yourself. Take a few deep breaths, letting go of stress or distractions. Light a candle or play soothing music if it helps you focus. This step ensures your mind is fully present when repeating your affirmation. Consistency is key. Commit to saying your affirmation at the same time each day. Whether it's first thing in the morning or right before bed, establishing a routine reinforces the habit and enhances its impact. Avoid multitasking. Give your full attention to the practice, treating it as an act of self-care. This mindful approach deepens your connection to your affirmation and increases its power. One of the biggest obstacles to manifesting is doubt, both in your ability to achieve your dreams and in the effectiveness of affirmations. It's natural to feel skeptical, especially if you haven't seen immediate results. Addressing and overcoming doubt is a vital part of the process. Start by acknowledging your doubts instead of suppressing them. When you recognize the negative thoughts holding you back, you regain the power to challenge and replace them. Write them down if needed and counter each one with a positive truth. For example, if you think I'll never succeed, replace it with success is already on its way to me. Overcoming doubt also requires trust. Trust the process, even when results aren't instantly visible. Affirmations and manifestation often work in ways we can't immediately see. The more consistent you are, the more your belief grows, and belief is what ultimately drives results. Keep in mind to celebrate small victories. If you notice even a subtle shift, such as a new idea or an unexpected opportunity, take it as a sign that your affirmation is working. Acknowledging progress reinforces your confidence and keeps you motivated to continue. Gratitude is the secret ingredient that amplifies the power of affirmations. When you practice gratitude, you align yourself with positivity, attracting even more to be grateful for. Start or end each affirmation session by reflecting on 3 things you're thankful for. These could be as simple as the roof over your head, a kind gesture from someone, or a moment of peace during the day. Expressing gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have, creating a foundation of abundance. Gratitude also strengthens your emotional connection to your affirmation. When you visualize your dream life, express thanks as though it's already yours. For example, say thank you for the success and opportunities that continue to flow into my life. This practice reinforces your belief that your desires are not only possible but inevitable. Gratitude fosters a sense of fulfillment in the present moment. While affirmations focus on future goals, gratitude helps you stay grounded, reminding you of the richness of your current life. This balance between hope and contentment creates a powerful energy that propels you forward. And that's what I mean by the balance. Manifestation isn't about passively waiting for your dreams to materialize. It's about aligning your actions with your affirmations. Inspired action is the bridge between intention and reality. Pay attention to the ideas and opportunities that come to you as you practice affirmations. Often these are gentle nudges from your intuition, guiding you toward the next step. Trust these instincts, even if they seem small or unconventional. For example, if your affirmation is about career success, inspired action might involve updating your resume, networking with colleagues, or taking a course to sharpen your skills. These steps, when paired with your affirmation, build momentum and show the universe you're serious about your goals. Inspired action doesn't have to be grand or overwhelming. It's about taking consistent, deliberate steps in the direction of your dreams. Every small effort reinforces your affirmation, bringing you closer to manifesting your desires. While affirmations can create quick shifts, true transformation often takes time. Patience and persistence are essential qualities on the journey to manifestation. Patience allows you to stay calm and focused, even when progress seems slow. It reminds you that every affirmation and action is contributing to your goal, even if the results aren't immediately visible. Trust that the seeds you're planting will bloom at the right time. So this persistence, on the other hand, keeps you consistent. It's easy to lose enthusiasm when results don't come as quickly as expected, but staying committed to your practice is what separates fleeting attempts from lasting success. To maintain persistence, make affirmations a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Find ways to keep the practice fresh, such as adding new affirmations or pairing them with different activities like journaling or meditation. Patience and persistence teach you resilience. And the journey to manifesting your dreams isn't always linear, but by staying the course, you prove to yourself that you're capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. As with any practice, it's important to reflect on your progress and make adjustments as needed. Regularly reviewing your affirmation practice ensures it stays aligned with your goals and keeps you motivated. Start by evaluating the affirmations you've been using. Are they still relevant to your current desires? If not, revise or create new ones that reflect your evolving dreams. For example, if your initial goal was financial stability, but you've since achieved it, your new affirmation might focus on creating wealth or giving back to others. Next, assess how consistent you've been. If you've struggled to maintain the practice, identify the obstacles and find solutions. This might mean setting reminders, creating a dedicated space for your affirmations, or pairing them with another habit like brushing your teeth. Celebrate your progress. Look back on where you started and acknowledge how far you've come. Whether it's a small shift in mindset or a major breakthrough, every step forward is worth recognizing. This reflection not only boosts your confidence, but also renews your commitment to the practice. Manifesting your dreams begins with a single step: affirming what you desire and believing it's already on its way. By dedicating time to this practice, accepting gratitude, and taking inspired action, you align your energy with your goals and invite the universe to work in your favor. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more practical tips and empowering techniques. Let's keep growing together.